Hi, me and my grandson are going to go into this old barn on some public hunting ground owned by a university.
Hi.
That's Tyler.
I got a thing to get through the brushes.
I'll give you a view of what we're looking at here.
So when we first found the geocache,
We found this place geocaching. Okay, we're going to walk through these weeds, see if we can find a way into this without getting too many briars. You might want me to go ahead first, just in case. Could be anything buried under these. There's a big rut right here. Don't step in it. Wow. It's pretty wild back in here. Watch out, there's a limb on the ground. Like the trees got bulldozed or fell down. Looks like an old dairy farm. Walk around that big thistle. There's a big bull thistle there.
this place looks like it was abandoned. Okay, there we go, a big hole.
Got a choice. You can go over or under. Okay, we made it through this jungle. Now we're going into this old barn. Be careful, the barn could fall on you.
Found a brick.
Yeah, we don't want a brick. Wow, look at this joint. Still got some paint on it. I see something interesting as soon as I walk up here. Some kind of a elevator system. It's an old-timey elevator. And it had a belt on it at one time. Well, it still has a belt on it.
Look at this.
Huh.
It looks like an old mold.
Don't get on the elevator. It may collapse. It still wiggles. Wow,
Look at
see,
this.
it's all made out of wood. This part is. Windows are all busted out, of course. This was quite a building at one time.
This whole thing.
No barrel, no bottom.
There is no ladder.
There is. Wow, there's some old plumbing supplies.
I don't think we can go up there.
I don't think I'm going up. See enough. We got enough stuff to explore without trying to fall through the floor. All these electrical supplies all
This thing
broken,
looks cool.
ruined. Yeah. There's another one just like it. Old, with the bulbs, the things that go in them are all broken. I'll go down the basement. Wow.
There's probably tons of good junk around here.
Probably tons of wild animals in here.
Hello, hello, hello. Hey, look, there's another set of stairs. There's no pop can. Got some buckets, some plates. Hey, look at that.
Huh?
Look at that thing.
Trying to figure out what they did here. They had some kind of a contraption.
Yeah, somebody little crate not that bad. Oh my god. They have an old sign.
Wonder what it says. You've been watching Pickers too much.
Yeah.
Wow, don't go over there. Look at how rotten it is.
Hey, let's take the sign. Look at this bucket.
You're going to find a snake you keep playing around.
I want to take that sign.
Well, let's check it out. Oh, it's just part of a sign that they used for something else. And it's nailed down. That's why it's still there.
I wonder what that could do.
Groundhogs have made a home. What? And there's another stairs. Where's that go? I didn't see that when we were over there.
Yeah, because it's caged up.
Oh, they blocked it off.
Somebody's been eating KFC.
Chaos. The hell is this?
It's a little jar.
Somebody made something out of a big old barrel.
Look at these little metal things. This looks like they used to be holding something. Old oil can. Look at this bad boy.
Yeah, that's old, all right.
I'll take it.
No, you don't want that.
I want it.
It might have poison in it. You don't know what was in it. Just here, take this instead. If you need a souvenir, take that little thing.
Okay.
I thought that was a snake. It's an old belt or something.
Look at that thing.
Yeah, that's a. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like they tried to use a piece of rebar to make a pulley. Oh, axle. Not a good choice.
Bedspread.
Oh, I see. This door used to be on there. The door over there too. I didn't even notice that. Okay. Well, we've explored this pretty closely.
So let's try the other one.
We'll go over to the.
Go into the other one.
Yeah, why not?
So that's a new can. That's a cool souvenir.
Look at the windows. Look how they were made. They have glass in them. I mean, they have steel in them. There ain't one window here that's not broken. A lot of
I like
kids.
this.
Looks like a lot of kids have been back here.
I like that.
That old oil can.
Mhm.
Now we'll make our ways through the brush. It'd be better to hunt this, look at this over in the wintertime.
Yeah, when all this stuff is dead.
Right. And all the animals are dead.
Almost half the universe.
Building, there's a old silo and that building is completely collapsed. I'm not going over there. That's just asking for trouble.
That place completely collapsed.
Won't be long before there aren't any buildings here. Oh, a tree fell through it.
Well, that's pretty.
We're still making it through weeds. Trying not to trip over a plow or something.
We're probably find some old vehicles.
I doubt that. Never know. About a 25-foot silo. Out for nails.
Little shingle tree.
Ooh, it smells good right here.
Yeah, let's try to get in this place, see what they got.
So you can get around it.
They run all the shingles, that's for sure. How are we gonna get back to the car?
We'll find a way.
This place is pretty sturdy over here.
Now we're in the dairy farm. There's the stanchions that used to hold the cattle.
That thing is nice.
That's a stanchion.
Got some old metal
Here they are. This is the milking parlor here. Cows that come in, they close that on their neck and milk them. Lots and lots of labor. It's a long time, man.
There's a way to get up there, but I don't know how.
Probably had the hay up there. Just tossed it down, fed the cattle. Man, this is old. This is even older than when I was milking cows.
I don't think we're going to be able to get up there.
Just looking. I'm not getting out, I'm just looking. Yeah. She's rotted down, man.
There's some old cans and buckets. Bottle, piping.
We're gonna go through the weeds. My battery's about dead, so I don't know if we're gonna get much more video here.
Looks like an old silo.
That's an old granary or something. You sure you want to go first? And when you get scared, tell me. As soon as some critter comes out at you, just don't fall down. I'm gonna save my battery till I get to that building over there. Shh, quit. This is gonna be on a video. You just can't be quiet, can you? An old oil barrel, fuel barrel. Another area, it's the same building. A lot of junk, old rusted up stuff.
Looks like this is supposed to be an old workshop.
Watch for nails.
They got some old tracking here.
Wow, I don't know what that used to be. It looks like they actually had their own little forge here. This must have been their workshop.
Hey, look at this. It looks like an old hammer. Well, this is a neat souvenir.
Solid rust
Look at this.
everywhere.
What I found.
an old hammer.
Yeah, I want this as my souvenir. It's a nice hammer.
Yeah, the head's off of it. It's supposed to have little hens inside of it. Those trees stuck in there to hold it together.
Light. Got this light.
An old fuse box. Wow. Ancient.
Got a hammer. Got a light.
It's hard to believe it's still standing.
Yeah.
Look at the width of these boards. Look how wide that board must be. 18 inches wide.
Look, there's this old oil can.
Yeah, you don't want that, do you? You say so.
And I did.
More bigger building over there. It looks like it had electricity to it. So we're going to go there next, and then we're going to try to find our way back to the car. I'm wondering if that's a pump house.
Yeah, it has some like old stuff.
I don't know what that used to be. Yep, there's old water tanks under there. I ain't going down. That first step is already broken. We're getting closer. Keep that stick away from me. Hold it straight up.
Yeah, we're getting close to our next house.
Say that vine, whatever it is taking over the building. It's maybe holding the whole damn building up.
All the doors holding together.
Don't lean on the walls. An old light.
Those old bottles. Lots of old bottles. Hey, look, they got an old Coke bottle. This place looks beat up. Okay, we're going in.
Wow. It's an old dictionary. It's an old tea kettle. And an old Coca-Cola bottle. Looks like they used this for a dump. Owner's parts manual.
What gave it away?
A mouse house. A future picker. There he is. A scrounger. Wow.
Oh, and here got lots of stuff. Got some more shoes. There's some more boots in here.
Ceiling came through. A couch. Shoes, baby shoes.
There's a lot of shoes in here. Holy moly, guacamole. Telephone.
There you go. There's your phone. Take it home, put it in your room.
Yeah, all this stuff is going in my room.
Wow, look at that old couch.
What couch?
That used to be a couch.
Jeez.
Had flowers on it.
I'm gonna have to go out and put some of this stuff in my pockets.
Okay, there's the car. She's still up there. The old dairy farm.